Hey guys, it's me again. I'm in Hawaii, and normally we listen to plants, but a lot of you have been asking, what do mushrooms sound like? And I found this really cool piece, it's a tree in this bamboo forest, and there are all these amazing little mushrooms on it. In fact, I even have my plant wave sitting on a mushroom there, which is nice. So let's check this out. Let's have a listen. We have one connected there, and we'll listen to these connected through the tree. Let's tune into this. This is right under that tree we were just listening to. Back by popular demand, we have more mushrooms to listen to using Plant Wave. To clarify, mushrooms are not plants. Mushrooms are their own type of being. Luckily for us, Plant Wave actually works with mushrooms as well. So I'm going to connect here and we're going to listen. And you might notice this sounds a lot different from the one that we listened to in Hawaii, so let's check it out. If I connect this to a different mushroom, maybe this one up here that's closer. Ooh, it's already making a little sound there. It's a little bit different, huh? What if I connect to this one? Connect both to the same one. And there you have it. Mushroom music.